They know my story.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing the medium knotless box braids waist length, and as you can see we're going to be using color 1B and color 613 for this beautiful look. So my client wanted the blonde to be kind of spread out, so more like 80% black and like 20% blonde, so just spread out, no specific. So I had to figure out how to do the blonde placements. And I want to say like 2 bundles of like the color 613 and like about 3 packs of the color 1B for my client, and 1 pack of hair at 3 bundles in them. So basically you can just get any hair that has 3 bundles. So I'll just say get 3 packs of the black color and then 1 pack of the blonde or whatever color that you choose to get. So right now I'm just making my parts. So first out, as you guys know, I'm always making my rough draft line before I go ahead to make sure the lines are cleaner. As you can see, I do have the edge control laying up up there, and I do have the edge control link in my description box, as well as the rat tail comb and also the pink magnetic wristband. As you can see me placing my edge control on. In that case, I don't have to keep going back and forth to the edge control container. It just makes everything easier for me and just makes everything easier to work with basically. So right now I'm done making my rough draft parts. I'm going to go ahead and apply my edge control before I go ahead and make sure that my parts are very, very clean. So now I didn't really count how many braids. I don't really count my braids. I usually count my locks because sometimes people just specifically ask me for those, but I don't really count my my braids count. I would just say that I had like let's say my client has a middle part, right? We had 5 going to the left and 5 going to the right. So just your basic regular mid back counts. And yes, when I was done with this hairstyle, I definitely had to dip this in hot water as well, and also I had to trim the body of my client's hair. I don't trim it from most of my hairstyle because I do use a very nice hair that don't really stick out. But I do recommend trimming your client's hair if need be. But I think the hot water and the most does the job very, very very nice. So right now I'm done making the clean parts of my client's hair, and I'm going to apply edge control on the body of my client's hair before, and then go ahead and prep the boxes. And I prep the boxes because I don't want to have to keep using my rat tail comb to just keep like making the boxes before I braid. So I always try to kind of, prep my boxes before I start braiding. So based on what you can see me prepping right now, you can kind of guess how many braids I have, because I always start with 4, and then I think it's 5, and then I think it's like 7. I think that's just how it goes. And then when I get to like the top part, the first part, would probably be like 12 or 13, something like that. So yeah. So now I'm done making my parts and prepping my parts. I'm going to get right into braiding. So for the medium, I usually feed my client's hair, I would say like about 4 to 5 times. But most of the time, I would say 4 times. I only do 6 times if I prep the hair really, really tiny. I only do it 6 times. But for the most part, I would only like insert. Sorry guys, I only fit in my clients. Fit in one braid would equal like 5 or 4 fitting. So yeah, so now I'm gonna just start fitting my client's hair. So you want to braid twice before you start fitting in your client's hair, and at some point we want to braid and then continue fitting. In that case, you have like a nice ombre like fall through, because you don't want the roots to be like thick or like big. You want it to like easily transition. So you're gonna braid and then braid at some point, and then start fitting your client some more hair if or when you need it. And even sometimes I will like prep what I need, but I don't end up using it. As you can see right now, I'm applying my edge control to my client's natural hair. In that case, I know how to turkey my client natural hair under the braiding hair, and this method is very, very good, especially when I'm currently you see me doing blonde and then you don't really see my client's black hair showing through. That's because using the edge control or hair gel or hair jam does help when it comes to turkeying your client natural hair. In that way, it's easier for you to just braid and then tuck it nice, so that if your clients want to, whatever color hair your clients want to do, you can definitely have it done without having your client's hair sticking out of your braiding hair. So yeah, that'll be all for my video. Let me know if you have any questions, guys, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you.
It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my whining, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me yard, say me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's Fake Kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about that. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, for me yard, see me for me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you dey mash